What's up guys, today we're going to be unboxing this metal detector that I ordered online. This is the metal detector with the armrest. It's item number 62307. It says on the box right here, arm support for less fatigue. Earphone jack lets you operate without noise interference. Adjustable stem. It uses 6 AA batteries so you can operate it. I have some rechargeable AA batteries that I got off of Amazon, the Amazon Basics brand, that I'm going to be using in this to power it up. This is a 9-function metal detector. It has a sensitivity adjuster, a metal type discriminator, all metal indicator, tone adjuster, volume control, target locator, low battery indicator, auto ground balance, and a mode selector. On this side it also says easily find coin, relics, gold, jewelry, and silver. Separate audio signals for different metals. Lightweight and easy to use, works even under shallow water. Now let's open this box and see how it looks. It has a tab right here. We're just gonna pop that open. There it is. You see a owner's manual right here. Oh, it even comes with some little headphones right there. So let's open this first and get it out. It's taped on the back side. We'll pull out the owner's manual, the headphones, and this little tool. It looks like a tool. It might be to put this together, or I'm not sure. We'll find out. Owner's manual and safety instructions. Metal detector with armrest. It shows you the assembly diagram, how to clean it, maintain it, tips for searching in different environments, general operating instructions, functions and indicators before you get started, all that good stuff. Be sure you read this before you operate this bad boy. Let's pull these headphones out of the baggie. There they are. Little headphones, basic, they fit in the ear. That's a bonus right there. Put this aside and pull the item out. So there's the box. It's empty. Nothing else inside it. Here's the item. It's like wrapped up in a cardboard insert. Let's just untape this. Bam. Some cardboard. Let's pull this out. Get rid of this box. It's pretty assembled already. Looks like all you gotta do is attach these 2 bars. Here's the unit. There's the plate in the bottom. Let's just pull that. Goes right in. Ties right up. Just keep turning it until you hit the tightest point. Now it doesn't slide out. So it's height adjustable for the smaller kids. Maybe they can use this too. And this right here, the tool that it came with, fits perfectly right here on these nuts, so that you can adjust at what angle you want the plate. I'm just gonna tighten these bolts. There you go. So there's the unit. I'll make it shorter so you guys can see it good. That looks like the lowest point. Yeah. There's the lowest point. All it looks like I need to do is put some batteries in it and I can start using it. Here's a close-up look at this right here. All the knobs that it has right there, the adjusters, so you can set it to the mold that you like, the mold that fits best with your needs. I'm gonna try to put my hand in there. Oh, that is pretty good. Doesn't feel rough. It's smooth, hard plastic, but feels good. Here's a button. And the bottom is where you put the batteries. We're gonna do that right now. Use easily slides open. It takes 6 AA. Okay, so the batteries are in. Here's the on and off switch. I'm gonna turn the dial so that it can turn on. There we go. Cool. I'm pointing it to my lights right now. There's some metal. When you hover above nothing, it doesn't do much, but then when you put it near metal, I'm not sure if this is affecting the microphone. This is pretty cool. So I just wanted you guys to see what you can expect if you were to order one of these, what you would get. Now I'm gonna go ahead and read the owner's manual so I can learn more about it, how to use it and set the modes, and I'm gonna go put it to a test. Maybe I'll make some videos out there searching for some items, or if I find some good stuff, we'll put it out there for you guys to see. If you want to check this item out for yourself, I put a link in the description down below of this video. The link will take you directly to the product page. There you can see this item, learn more about it, see different items at different price ranges and similar price ranges, and even decide to buy if you wish. And if you do make a purchase, I get a small cut at no extra cost to you, so I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!